In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the footer in Shopify's Dawn theme using the theme editor, all without any need for coding. This will allow you to enhance the look and functionality of your online store's footer, providing a more personalized touch that can help attract and engage your customers. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll need to log in to your Shopify admin. Once logged in, navigate to the online store section located in the left-hand sidebar. Click on that, and you'll see a tab labeled Themes. Now, this is where your theme magic happens. Find your Dawn theme from the list of themes displayed. When you've located it, go ahead and click on Customize. This will open up the theme editor, where you can start making changes. When you're in the theme editor, look towards the left sidebar. Here you'll find all the different sections you can adjust, arranged in the order they appear on your site. Scroll down to find the footer section. This is the area we're focusing on today. Clicking on it will reveal all the options you have to customize your footer. In the footer section, the first thing you might want to think about is which blocks should be visible. You have the flexibility to enable or disable a variety of blocks, such as a newsletter sign-up form, social media icons, or even the various payment methods you accept. This allows you to tailor your footer to meet the specific needs of your business and your audience. Next, consider adding additional footer blocks. Footer blocks are like little content sections you can include to give more context or options to your users. These can include menus, text, images, and more. The addition of these blocks can significantly enhance the functionality of your footer. Moving on, think about the link lists. These are essentially menus that you can include in each footer block. Choose wisely to ensure that visitors to your site can easily navigate to the most important pages. Now, onto the appearance settings. This is your chance to move beyond functionality and add a bit of flair. You may be able to change the background color, the text color, and adjust the spacing and padding if those options are available. It's a subtle way to maintain brand consistency throughout your site. Under the theme settings, you'll often find global settings that can impact your footer as well. Consider adjusting color schemes, typography, font size, and link styles to create a cohesive look that resonates throughout your website. Once you've created a layout and design you're happy with, make sure to save your changes. It's always a good practice to preview your updates on both desktop and mobile views. By doing so, you can ensure everything looks polished and professional across devices. And that's it. With these steps, you can easily customize your footer in Shopify's Dawn theme using the theme editor, enhancing both the aesthetic and utility of your online store. Thank you for watching, and happy customizing.